Why is this camera spinning around with a broken fishing line? And why is this man looking so dumbfounded at the broken line as though something strange happened? Well, there is an explanation. In order to explain this dumbfounded stare, we'll need to go back to the beginning. So about a half an hour before, he casted out his line with some bait attached to a hook attached to the camera, and into the lake it went. And down the bait traveled, down into the mysterious depths of this Texas lake. And at the bottom of Lake Travis, it found some Texas scrub brush and wedged in between the branches. Scrub brush that had been buried as the water had risen over the past year. The bluegills immediately began pecking at the bait, and eventually they knocked it off of the branch. And that's when he showed up. A massive carp. He circled around the back of the bait and suddenly appeared in the front. Immediately going towards the bait, he engulfed it in his mouth. The hook was in the side of his jaw when suddenly he turned and snap. Well, let's take another slow motion look at this to see what happened. He came in, grabbed that bait, and I think when he felt the pinch of the hook, he turned rapidly to the left. There's the hook, and boom. Now what's interesting is the bait is hanging here from the branch, so the bait was on the hook. So I'm thinking that the line snapped and left the bait and hook hanging on the branch, because once it was reeled in, then came the dumbfounded stare at the broken line without a hook and without any bait. And it wasn't until after playing the video that I figured out exactly what had happened.